Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. I am an independent Stampin' demonstrator, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today is Quick and Easy Day, and we are making this quick and easy treat holder. I love this. I love the embossing on this. You can do it without the embossing, but it's so pretty. This is our new gingham embossing folder. I love it. It's so pretty. So this one's done in petal pink, and I'm going to do the next one in balmy blue. And what I'm using for this is the Happy Hedgehogs. You can do the hedgehog on here, but I really wanted to just use the butterfly and the bird. I love the little bird on this. And then I am also using the beautiful shapes dies, which are these right here. I'm using the largest circle, but that circle has some really pretty detail around the edge here, and I love that for this. So this, if you can probably see it on here, the little edging on here just makes it so pretty. And so that's what I'm using. I'm also using the gingham. This is what it looks like, the gingham embossing folder for this. All right. This is so easy, y'all. You are gonna be shocked how quick and easy these are. You can make these for your co-workers. There are M&Ms in this one. Any kind of flat candy like Skittles, M&Ms. There's just a lot. Anything that's flat you can put in here. Probably even little ghirardellis would fit in here. I don't know how many you could fit, but as long as it's like a flatter and it'll lay flatter, you can do it. Oh, you can put the conversation hearts in here. That would work. Anything like that. All right, so what we're going to do first is we are going to stamp our little butterfly and our bird. We do have to fussy cut that, but they're so really quick and easy to fussy cut. So I'm just going to grab a scrap here. I'm going to grab some Memento Black. And I am coloring it with the blends. So I'm going to stamp the bird here. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. And then the butterfly. You can use the little hedgehog in this too. I think it'd be really cute. I just decided I wanted to use those two. While I have this ink out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment in the middle of this. And it says, "It's so nice of you to be nice." Just think about giving them to your co-workers. What about your boss or something like that? If you have a nice boss, I guess. All right, so we're going to color this. I am going to use light and dark balmy blue because that is the color we are using for the paper. So I'm going to just color him really quickly, balmy blue. He is going to be a blue bird. I'm just going to shade it a tiny bit with the dark. And then for his belly, I am using the petal pink. So we're just going to do his belly there. And I have a little bit of the dark here. We're going to use that on the butterfly as well. So I'm going to use the butterfly. I'm going to just do this part of the butterfly. And I'm going to do the center. Is this the light or the dark? This is the light. By the way, this one's Pale Papaya. I thought it was Petal Pink. It's Pale Papaya. This one's Petal Pink. So I need this one. This one is the dark Pale Papaya, so we are going to do a little bit of shading on this little butterfly. He's really, really quick and easy. Let's do it on here as well because the other one didn't show up as well. Okay, the petal pink I used for the flower, and then I just actually used some of the dark Mango Melody for the inside part of the flower. And just his little body, I'm going to use Chrome Cake for the little body of the, just like that. Super, super quick and easy coloring. I'll speed it up for the fussy cutting because I don't want to bore you. Okay, so I got the bird and the butterfly cut and ready to go. It's really simple. Sometimes I can get really picky with the fussy cutting. You can use your scan and cut for this. It'd be so easy, especially if you're going to make a bunch, but it's really easy. So let's go ahead and grab our paper. This is 5 by 6. You know, that's the only measurement you need to be concerned with. And we are going to go ahead and grab the cut and emboss, and we are going to emboss this. So to emboss this, what I'm going to do is you need, for this embossing folder, it's not our thick 3D one, so you just need plate 1, 2, and then you need this 4 for that. So I'm going to put it in this way, and then we are going to run this through, and then I'll show you how to do the opposite side. So we're going to pull that out. Then what you want to do is you just want to try to line that up the best you can on the opposite side. And then we are going to run it through again. And that is it. So there you go, right there. All right, it's so pretty. I really like this embossing folder. I don't use them enough. I really, really love them. All right, so what you're going to need is some tear and tape. You really need some strong adhesive for this. So we're going to use the tear and tape. And if I can find the end here. Okay, there we go. You are going to put this on one side and then turn it over, and on the opposite side, this is the back side actually. You want to put a strip down this way and a strip down this way, close to the edge. Make sure it's down on the embossed part because it's hard to stick to the embossing sometimes. All right, let's do this side first because we don't want the other side to get stuck to your mat here. I'm going to do this. And then sometimes what I like to do is just run my hand over it just to make it a little bit easier to curve it around. And then we'll take this side off here. When you're doing this, don't lay it down because you already have your adhesive backings removed. Then you're going to just meet these at this end here. Then I usually do this end. And then just press it down in the middle. Now that's your back. The seam is going to be at the back. So make sure when you do the front, you press down the front like this. You do have to cut these open to get to them. So think about that. I'm going to put some more M&Ms in here. I'm just going to grab a handful. It fits a lot of M&Ms. You can see the size of that. But you don't want to bulk it up too much. You want to make sure you have some flat candy here. You want it to be flat. So then you're going to press this side down like that. I'm going to grab my Fiskars crimper, and this is very old. I don't even know if they make them anymore, but they do still have crimpers out there. And we are going to crimp the ends because I just like that finished end, but you don't even have to use this. You can just leave it. I think I got that in a little bit crooked, but I think we're all right. Let's just do it one more time. And it's got that cute little end on it. I really like that about it. But it fits quite a few M&Ms in there. So this is our back side. We need to flip it over. And then we're going to add our pieces here. So I'm going to use my wet glue. And we're going to put this on with wet glue because you want something that's going to hold it on there really good. I'm going to use a dimensional for the little bird. Oops, I just bent his flower. This flower is very delicate, so be careful with that. And then I'm going to use another dimensional for the butterfly. I may need to use a mini one for that one, but I'm not sure. Let's see if it'll fit. Can't remember which I used. Oh, a regular one fits. And then we'll put the butterfly on this side. How cute. And then last but not least, we are going to use some of our opal rounds here just to give it a little bit more detail. I'm going to use a couple. And then we'll use one at the top. Just like that. Super, super quick and easy. So there you have it. I like them both. I like the petal pink and the balmy blue. So there you have it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. It's super quick and easy, and these are really fun to just give as a thinking of you type gift. Even as a party favor, it'd be really cute. All right, so here's my February hostess code. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.